All right, today we're going to tackle a huge question, one that sounds super complicated but really isn't. What exactly is a stock? You hear the word all the time, and it can seem pretty intimidating, right? Well, stick with me because we are going to break it all down with a super simple analogy that'll make it all click.
So, have you ever looked at a giant company like Apple or Nike and just thought, man, I wish I could own a piece of that action? For most of us, the idea of owning even a tiny fraction of a massive global brand, well, it feels completely impossible.
And yeah, while you probably can't go out and buy the whole company, here's the cool part. You can buy a small piece of it. And that is precisely what a stock is. It's your ticket to ownership. Now, to really understand how this works, let's use a simple and kind of delicious analogy. I want you to think of a company as one giant pizza.
First things first, just picture a giant pizza. This whole pizza, the entire thing, represents the whole company. We're talking its total value, from its factories and its tech all the way to its brand name, the whole shebang.
So, if the company is the whole pizza, then a single stock is simply one slice. That's it. When you buy a stock or a share, you are buying a small, real, tangible piece of that entire company. You become a part owner, a shareholder. Pretty cool, right?
But that brings up a really logical question. Why would a successful company sell off slices of itself? I mean, if the pizza is so good, why give away pieces? Well, it's a really straightforward trade. Step 1, you buy a slice, a share, with your money. Step 2, the company gets that cash. And step 3, this is the important part, it uses that money to grow, to build new factories, develop new products, or in our case, buy more pizza ovens to make even more pizza. Your investment is literally fuel for their expansion.
Okay, so that's great for the company, but what about you? What's in it for you? What's the potential reward for buying that slice of pizza in the first place?
Here are two main ways you, the shareholder, can benefit. First, on the left, if the company grows and the whole pizza becomes more valuable, well, your individual slice is now worth more too. You could then sell it for more than you paid for it. Then, on the right, a profitable company might choose to share some of its earnings directly with its owners. That payment is called a dividend. It's like the company handing you a little bit of cash for every slice you own.
So let's boil all of this down to the one big takeaway, the most important thing to remember. We're going to strip away the analogies for a second and get right to the core concept.
At the end of the day, a stock is simply a small piece of ownership in a company. That's it. It's not some mystical, complicated financial instrument. It's a share. It's a piece of the pie. And fundamentally, when you buy shares, you are making a bet on that company's future. You're betting that its strategy, its products, and its leadership are going to lead to success, making the entire pizza bigger and more valuable over time.
So that just leaves us with a final thought. Once you understand that a stock is just a slice of a company, it kind of changes how you see the business world, doesn't it? The only real question left is, which company's pizza do you want a slice of?